76 homes. That's the entire Crest neighborhood inside Marblehead Inland. A small, tightly controlled gated enclave sitting at the top of the Highland Light development in San Clemente. At any given time, the active inventory here might be one listing, or zero. And on a clear day, select homes capture Catalina Island across open water. Not through binoculars, just through the living room glass. If you want larger homes, sweeping views, and a genuinely private address at the top of Marblehead Inland, this is where the conversation starts. This is your complete overview. Let's place this on the map. The Crest sits at the peak of the Highland Light area inside Marblehead Inland, on rolling hillside terrain just east of I-5 in the northern section of San Clemente. That elevation is the core selling point. Many homes here enjoy sightlines toward the Pacific Ocean, Catalina Island, and Dana Point Harbor, the kind of panoramic positioning that is genuinely hard to replicate at any price in inland San Clemente. For everyday needs, Avenida Pico is a quick drive, the San Clemente outlets are nearby, and downtown San Clemente is just minutes south along I-5. Day to day, the feel inside the Crest is private, upscale, and deliberately residential. This is not a neighborhood built around walkability or street-level commercial energy. The tone is quiet, settled, and intentional, shaped in large part by the 24-hour staffed guard gate at the Highland Light entry, one of the most seriously operated gates in all of San Clemente. Visitors need to be verified and called in before entry. That gate sets a tone, and the entire neighborhood reflects it. A few watchouts worth naming. Inventory is consistently thin, turnover is limited, and pricing can move fast, especially when a well-positioned view lot comes to market. This is emphatically not an entry-level Marblehead option, and buyers should approach it with that understanding from the start. The history here is rooted in the later phase of Marblehead Inland's build-out. While Highland Light Village was established in 1986, the Crest was built in the late 1990s, making it one of the most recent and most upscale additions to the broader development. That timing comes through directly in the floor plans, the garage configurations, and lot sizes that were specifically calibrated for view-oriented outdoor living. The community identity is clear and consistent. Bigger, guard-gated homes with a strong luxury lean, positioned for buyers who have already experienced Marblehead Inland and are ready to move up within it. From a lifestyle standpoint, the Crest delivers premium residential living rather than resort-style amenity stacking. It is not flashy in the way some luxury communities aim to be. The experience here is more settled, more home-centered, and more private. Residents still tap fully into everything San Clemente has to offer. Downtown events, the historic pier, multiple beaches including trestles for surf, the scenic bluff trails, and a genuine coastal town energy are all a short drive away. But inside the neighborhood itself, the mood is calm, secure, and focused squarely on the home. For everyday convenience, the Avenida Pico corridor handles groceries, casual dining, and services efficiently. The San Clemente outlets provide additional retail access close by. Beyond that, it really comes down to San Clemente's broader pool. Downtown along Avenida Del Mar, the pier, the beach parks, and a coastal lifestyle that is both accessible and genuinely distinctive. The Crest is well positioned to take full advantage of all of it. For outdoor life, Marblehead Park is the strongest nearby anchor, offering sports courts, playgrounds, picnic and barbecue areas, and elevated Pacific views that most neighborhood parks simply cannot match. Beyond the park, residents have full access to San Clemente's outdoor infrastructure, beaches, the bluff trail system, coastal parks, and year-round Southern California conditions that reward time spent outside. But a lot of the best outdoor living at the Crest starts right in the backyard, on the patios and in the private yards that were designed with those elevated sightlines in mind. The real estate story inside the Crest is anchored by approximately 76 homes, with floor plans ranging from roughly 2,694 to 3,604 square feet. Homes are configured with 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 baths, and 3 car garages. A setup that directly reflects the move-up, family-oriented buyer this neighborhood consistently attracts. The Crest is described as offering some of the best views in all of Marblehead, and that positioning carries a meaningful price premium. View lot, lot size, and update level are the three variables that drive the biggest pricing differences within the community. When homes do come available, they tend to attract serious attention quickly. Getting around from the Crest is car dependent, but practically so. I-5 is immediately accessible, Avenida Pico connects quickly to the commercial grid, and the beaches, downtown, and the broader South Orange County commute corridor are all straightforward to reach. This is a neighborhood built for people who come home to the view. Walking to coffee is not the value proposition, and buyers who understand that trade-off and prioritize it rarely regret it. For schools, the Crest falls within the Capistrano Unified School District. This area is commonly associated with Vista Del Mar Elementary, Bernice Ayer Middle School, and San Clemente High School. That said, verify current school assignments and enrollment eligibility directly with the district for your specific address before making any decisions based on school access. So who is the Crest really for? It is the right fit for move-up buyers who want larger detached homes, households that prioritize views and lot size, and buyers ready for a more premium position inside Marblehead Inland. The honest trade-offs are worth naming. Pricing runs high, turnover is limited, and walkability is simply not part of the equation. But for the buyer who wants the best views in Marblehead behind a serious guard gate, the Crest is a difficult address to replicate anywhere in inland San Clemente. If you were buying inland in San Clemente, would you pick the Crest for the bigger homes and the views? Tell us below.